Well, today's jalapeno popper day. Yep, those little things down there are jalapeno poppers. And I'm using a recipe from I'm Still Working. That's a YouTube channel. And we're using our little deep fryer here. And my wife Ann, hi Ann. She's doing the hard work. We already cut up the peppers, and we got a big old tray there. These are my brother-in-law and Rob and my sister-in-law Dixie. This is their jalapenos, and they needed somebody to do something with them, so that's what we're doing. And what's in this one here?
Cream cheese, and I added shredded cheese with the jalapeno vinegar.
Oh, okay. And then you dip it in the egg wash first.
And the flour.
Okay.
The egg wash. And then the breadcrumbs.
Then the breadcrumbs. I see you're using a fork.
Much less messy.
I see that. So there's a spoon in the cream so that you can fill them poppers. Then you're ready to dip it a little bit and flour it up. Dip it. Cornmeal or bread is bread.
Breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumbs. Okay, I'm sorry. Breadcrumbs. I got cornmeal on my head because we just had cornmeal the other day. That looks pretty good. And yes, we do have a bit to go. Aren't they beautiful?
Gorgeous.
Really, they really are. Okay. Well, this next batch, I'm going to cook it. Oh, by the way, you cook it at 350 for 1 minute. And that gets it really nice and crisp. I mean, they're just crispy and nice. Next one, I'm going to do...
freeze them.
Then you freeze them on a tray. And after they're frozen, then you put them in your bag. That way they don't stick together, folks.
And bake them when you take them out.
Then you bake them for how long?
12 minutes at 400 degrees.
12 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay, we can do that. And the next batch I do, I'm going to do it for a little over 2 minutes because I think I want to cook it enough where we can eat some of these delicious items. Okay, just thought I'd share. So from San Hala Homestead, we're a poppin'.